Hello students, welcome to HBD Services online student portal. Today's tutorial is about how to use your online student portal to download and upload all your documents. At first, you need your student portal link. If you have any, then that's great. If you don't have any, then please speak with your counselors to get your student portal link as soon as possible. So this is the portal link for today's tutorial. So if you go to your portal link, you will find a screen like this, similar to this one. This is one of our students portal. So you can find your name on instead of this name, and you can find all your information on the same portal. So today we will show you how to download all your documents and upload all your documents from this portal. So if you go to this portal, you will find 5 options here, like your course and services, check upload documents, all course, forms, and your college applications. To upload and download documents, you need only these two, which is check and upload documents and forms. So at first, I will show you how to upload all your documents to the portal. So if you want to upload all your documents to the portal, so you need to go to the forms, this section. So you click on there, it will open another screen, and you can find out document upload forms. You need to open that form. So when you open this form, you will find all the fields to upload all your documents. For example, your passport, visa, IELTS, any Australian certificates or transcripts, any COE you have already, your student continuation letter, overseas academic documents, your SOP or GT documents, and if you can't find any field there, you can always upload all your documents to the other documents. Now, if you want to upload your documents, what you need to know, you need to enter your name. So your full name, for example, is Fariz Hussain, and for example your email address is fariz.sign@gmail.com. When you complete these two fields, you will be able to upload all your documents on this field. So if you want to upload passport, you choose file, you go to your folder where it is and see the passport. So select the one and it's uploaded. Your visa, select your visa, it's uploaded. Your IELTS PT, there, it's uploaded. All Australian certificates, qualifications, Australian academic documents, you can upload this as well. Current or previous COE, previous COE 1, previous COE 2. So you can upload multiple documents at one time in the same field. So you can select this one and select this one, selected 2, upload it, it is uploaded. 2 files, you can see 2 files uploaded. You always can find out the file is uploaded or not by the side of the field. So you can see visa file uploaded, IELTS uploaded, Australian academic certificates, this is uploaded as well. So current COE I've just uploaded is gone, so I'm just going to upload it again. Previous COE 1, 2, so you can find 2 files uploaded. Study continuation letter, same as overseas academic documents if you have any. So overseas academic documents, statement of purpose. Statement of purpose is this one. So it says Fariz 1. I would like to request you to rename this folder as per the document type. So you rename this, is your SOP, click that, and then SOP, upload it. So the SOP is uploaded. So always make sure you rename your documents based on the field. So if you are uploading SOP, then please rename your documents as SOP. Other documents, if you have any other documents, say about this one, you upload it. And then when you upload all these things, if you have any comments for the counselors, you can write your comments. Please check all documents or whatever it is. And then submit the form. So all your documents has been uploaded to the system. After uploading all the documents, you can see this screen which can ensure you that all your documents has been uploaded. You can always go back to your home page. Going to your home page, you can check all the documents you have been uploaded. So you go into the option check and upload documents. You check now and see, you can find all your uploaded documents here. From this section you know which documents you already been uploaded and which are the documents you need to upload. The second part of this tutorial, we're going to show you how to download any documents uploaded by your counselor. So you're going back to your home page again. Now you clicking the same section, which is check and upload documents. So you clicking there and you can find any documents has been uploaded by your counselor after taking reference from them. So the counselor, for example, uploaded your offer letter. Now you need to download it. What you can do, you can click on the offer letter. It will come up here, so you can easily download online. So the offer letter is loading. It will take some time, but definitely you can download it from here. So if you need to sign your offer letter, then you can download the offer letter from there, sign it, scan it, and upload it back to your system, so the counselor knows you have uploaded your offer letter and they can process your application further. So this is all the tutorials for today. Last thing I need to tell you, you have to make sure 3 major things, which is you can upload multiple documents in the same field. Doesn't matter how many documents you have. We prefer the document size would be 5 MB for each document, and always make sure you rename your documents as per the document type. So that's it for today. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for being with HBD Services. Thank you.